Welcome to the SRS Detailing Center. We offer a necessary set of tools for fast and high-quality tinting of any glass. The kit includes everything you need for cutting the film, shaping it, as well as applying or removing it. Thanks to it, you will never face a situation where you cannot perform any tinting job, reinforcing car windows, or even tinting building glass. The kit includes a durable tool bag for storage and transport, protective gloves, a heat gun for thermal forming of film on curved glass, and a hot air gun. Adhesive removal spray, a safe solution for removing glue residue when stripping tint from car windows. Slammer, especially effective for treating hard-to-reach areas. Professional and reliable automatic sprayer. Metal holders for washing and squeegee tools. The squeegee bulldozer is an essential tool for pushing out water in hard-to-reach areas, such as the rear window. A polyurethane squeegee is used for washing windows and removing water from under the film. Extendable holder for scraping blades. The rigid Blumex squeegee is specially designed for removing installation solution from under the film. The blade is designed for cleaning and preparing glass. High-quality replacement rubber insert for water removal. Film installation solution made from a special shampoo by removing potentially harmful dyes and fragrances. Black sharp angle squeegee. This tool is especially effective for working in hard-to-reach areas. Special scratch-free replacement blades for the knife. Cheeseler. A rigid compact squeegee for trimming film edges. The black trapezoid is used for cutting and shaping film. The heat-resistant squeegee is used for film forming. The so-called card squeegee, white diamond, is also essential when working with films. The triangular squeegee is designed to remove water from under the film in hard-to-reach areas. A professional knife is essential for cutting films before installation. A hook for carefully removing door seals. The card squeegee yellow diamond. The tinter's apron makes the tinting process easier and faster by keeping all necessary tools within reach. We've presented you with a professional kit that both experienced masters and beginners learning the basics of film tinting can comfortably use. Stay tuned for our new releases and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.